Hello everyone. Let's create a classroom on TestForce. Start by entering a title, for example, English. Add a description to give students more context about the class. You can also make the classroom private. When it's off, students can join directly through the link. When it's on, students must send a join request. There's also an option to hide your personal information, like your name, email, and profile. Next, set the academic details such as the class standard, exam type, and language. Now click Create, and that's it. Your classroom is ready to share updates, engage students, and conduct tests. Now let's create a test. Go to the Test section and click New Test. Enter the basic details, such as the test title, usually the chapter or topic name. Select the test type, either test or quiz. Note that this cannot be changed later. Set the test duration if it's a test. Quizzes currently don't require a duration. Next, choose the marking method, either test level or section-wise marking. You can also enable negative marking if needed. Then set the start and end time of the test. Students will only be able to access the test during this time window. For proctoring, you can choose basic, no camera or mic monitoring, AI proctoring. Students are monitored through camera and mic, and suspicious activity can trigger warnings or auto submission. You can also control result visibility. If enabled, students can see their result immediately after submission. Before adding questions, you must create at least one section. Click Add Section, give it a name, and set the marking details if you're using section-wise marking. You can also adjust the display order of sections. Now it's time to add questions. Click Add Question, type your question and select the type, single correct, multiple correct, or integer-based. If you want to save time, you can also upload questions in bulk using an Excel file. Simply download the template, fill it, and upload. You can even generate questions using AI by providing the required details. Repeat the same process for other sections if needed. And that's it, your test is ready. Now let's upload notes. Go to the Notes section and click New Note. Enter the details, upload your file. Click Save, and then Publish. Once published, the notes become visible to students. To add lectures, navigate to the Lectures section. Click New Lecture, enter the details, and paste the YouTube video URL. Click Save, then Publish. Students will now be able to access the lecture. And that's how you can manage your classroom. Tests, notes, and lectures on TestForce.